Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see I'm going to be starting this new one that I got from Fansells, and it is called Forest Playground 3, and we'll be starting right up in here. And the color that I'm using is 742, and it's kind of an orangish yellow color, so we're starting with the pumpkin. I thought that this would be the easiest of the two that I had decided that I might start. Yeah, so here we are. Let me pull you down because this is kind of a small canvas, and I got one of my new little needle minders. It's kind of trying to hide over here. Oh my goodness, yeah, I was pretty disappointed with those kits today. I wasn't sure that I was ready to tackle the lady with the butterflies or the leaves or whatever's swirling around her, you know, with all three of these kits having some form of gotten wet. Yeah, so this was the middle ground, and it doesn't look too terribly bad, and it's easy to see on the paper pattern. The other one was totally obliterated, and this one is better than working on that big one and trying to follow a pattern as I go. So yeah, because I was afraid that's what would happen. So anyway, this is what we're doing. So hopefully you like it. I think it's cute. I think it's adorable. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Yesterday, what did I stitch on? Oh yes, I know. Sorry, I'm losing my voice already. Yeah, I haven't even been to work. I worked on that, I want to call it garden courtyard thing, and I'm not sure who I got it from. I just started working on a part of the building and ran 2 or 3 threads. It's a 14 count as well. So, yeah. But I thought this would be a nice small project that we could work on this month, perhaps, and perhaps get parts of it done. We'll just have to kind of play it by ear. And I started with a symbol that I could actually see. Not that I couldn't see any of the others, this just had a big area, so yeah, it's pretty good compared to the rest. So we may have to defer to the paper pattern a few bits at a time, but yeah, we'll get it. It'll be fine. So I have no idea what I'm going to be stitching on this weekend. Just haven't really thought about it too hard. I'd like to get back to my 12 ladies. And I want to put some time in on Colorful Town. I think I got that from 7th grade. Heck, I could be wrong. But, yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Yesterday, it wasn't too busy at all. Just got a few things done that needed to be done at the store, but short of that, no. So, yeah, hopefully today will go well, and I don't know what time he'll show up this week. Yeah, last week we didn't get the order in until, I think it was close to 5 o'clock. But it didn't take us any time at all to put it away, so it was no big deal. there was 3 of us, so that worked out awesome. Oh, goodness gracious. So, yeah, I didn't work on anything else yesterday. You know how you just kind of sit there and sit there and sit there, and it just works on your brain. Kind of tires you out, so I was kind of over it by the time I got home, and I didn't feel like stitching because I was afraid I'd make a mistake. That's how things happen with me. But we will see. What else? Oh, I know I didn't do any more work on my silk dragon or on my beaded thing. I'd like to work a little bit more, you know, put in at least, make a leaf, you know, or a petal of one of those, of the poinsettias, you know, because I can seem to get like about that far, and I'm not interrupted for any particular reason, just my brain goes, oh, well, what about that, and what about that, and you should do this, or you should do that, you know, as far as housework goes. I don't know, it's my conscience trying to tell me to do housework. Well, some days that works, and some days not so much. And sometimes I can just sit there all dang day long and do nothing but stitch, and just go from one kit to another, so we'll have to see how I feel this weekend, or about doing anything. I kind of liked working on that little purple hot chocolate thing. I like these small kits sometimes, you know, they're just not as daunting as the big ones, and others, I want to work on the big ones, so who knows? It's a toss-up. It is always a toss-up where I'm concerned. I don't think I may have some reviews come in, but I don't think my thing from Fansells will get here this weekend. Sorry, we got to end this thread because I'm running out of thread here. There's my scissors. We got one. I just used one of the other needle minders as a backing to hold the thing on there. Whoop. Get rid of the needle, get rid of the needle. Holy cow. So, I don't know. It just, what is, and what isn't, won't be. See, that's kind of how I work on that. And I think it's getting too cold to sit outside for any reason. It's either windy or just a little on the nippy side. I thought it was going to rain yesterday. Got all cloudy and dropped a little snow up there on the mountain. But we didn't get any rain. No snow, thank goodness. Anything down here, so. It was just windier than heck yesterday. It had come up and then absolutely nothing for hours, and then it started again. So, yeah. That's the way it gets. That's why we don't get nearly as much snow as other places, because the wind seems to blow all the snow away. Away from it even falling. Not like it's already fallen and then it blows it away. No. So that's kind of a good thing too. So I can do without driving on snow. I can do it, but I'm not a fan. But I'm not paranoid about doing it. So it is what it is. Again, yeah. It's my motto for the week, you know. Oh my goodness. And I'd like to get the computers, what do you call it, switched over, so I'm using my new computer this weekend, and that's one goal. Woo! I know, that'll take me all of 5 minutes to unplug one and plug another one in, but we'll see. Oh, goodness. This has some nice big areas in it, so maybe it'll go faster than I give it credit for. Might get that color that's in between there and work on it a little bit. We'll just have to see how it goes. Or I might get another strand of this and try to finish this big area, but we'll see. We will see. So what's everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something you like. Something that brings you joy, you know? That you'd like to just sit down and stitch with and just do nothing but that. That some days that happens, some days not so much. Well, that one weekend I worked nothing but the 12 ladies and the Mediterranean one. I really like that Mediterranean one. I like both of those. So we'll give it all some attention this weekend. I'll see how it goes from there. Nothing's been going on with the kids, so got nothing to report there. Oh, I almost forgot that part. Whoops. That's where I ran out of thread. Alright, we're going to have to stop that thread. Maybe we'll take these two little spaces right there. Yeah, these little snack ones, I swear. They're too cute. Oh, and I saw one the other day, and it's got all... It's bigger. I mean, it's probably, let's say, 45 to 60, 45 by 60 centimeters. It's a New Joy Sunday, and it's got all the, I want to say, characters from the Beatrix Potter books in it. Oh my god, I gotta have that one. Because, yeah, I'm a Peter Rabbit fan. 400 years ago, I had those books. They belonged to my dad. Because my grandfather, his dad, worked for a printing company. And I guess they got them for little or nothing. Back in the day. Yeah, they were hardbound. Yeah. Got no idea what happened to those. Life and times happens. But I read them all the time. Even after I got too old to read them. I just like looking at the illustrations. They were just absolutely beautiful. Don't know. You know what they say, don't look back, just keep going forward. Well, yeah. I wished I'd been a better carer of things. Yeah. I didn't realize what they were, you know? And I hate myself for that. So much stuff. Just life. I gotta move that now because it's being in the way. Yeah. It's reckless with a lot of things. Oh my goodness. But you can't go back and you can't change it, so here we are. Alright, we got 3 more stitches. Let's see if we can make it with this thread. Oh, I lied. Maybe that's 4. I think that's 4 stitches. We'll try. Oh, goodness gracious, goodness gracious. We're almost there, guys. Almost. Up, down, back, and around again. Hey, we made it. Yay. Okay. Oh, I'm just going to take it out. Put that needle up there. I know. Not supposed to do that, but life goes on. So we got that much done. Let me pull you down so you can see. So, yeah. And I think that's all one symbol right there. I'd have to check the book, but I think so. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.